know the context of your feed stream. It's important to know the origin, composition, sampling conditions, and the presence of impurities. When you are adding the components for your process simulation, you must understand how is the conditions where it was taken. For instance, when I'm dealing with the hydrocarbon for purification of hydrocarbons, for instance, or dehydration of hydrocarbon, I get the chromatography results, and the chromatography results is analysis based on dry conditions. And depending on the conditions of my feed gas, it can be saturated. So I need to understand that before adding the components for my process simulation. Eventually, I will need to know the pressure and the temperature to make sure that the quantity of water that I can have in my stream is correct. Because if I consider a quantity of water or moisture in my feed stream too low for my process, when I design my system and I start running that, I will not achieve the performance because my equipment or my process was undersized.